In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update properties in HubSpot like a master. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the platform with ease. So let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see the login button. Click on it to start accessing your HubSpot account. Now, if you haven't already logged in, you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. Doing this will take you straight to the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central hub for all things HubSpot, giving you access to all your main tools and resources. Once you're comfortably on your dashboard, turn your attention to the top right section of the screen where you'll find the settings option. Go ahead and click settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust both your personal and account-wide settings. Your next move is to locate the properties option. This is where you'll be able to manage and update any property related settings. Click on properties and you'll be navigated to a new settings page specifically dedicated to property settings. On the properties page, you'll see all existing properties listed. This can include everything from contact properties, company properties, deal properties, and more. Navigate this list to find the specific property you want to update. You'll find a range of customizations available to tailor these properties to your specifications. Take your time to carefully review the details you want to modify and make sure that each change aligns with your intended workflow. Once you've made all your changes, be sure to save your updates. You don't want to lose any progress you've made. This is crucial because unsaved changes won't be reflected in your system and you'll need to repeat the process. After saving, it's a good idea to double check your properties. Ensuring that everything is accurately updated helps maintain consistency across your HubSpot environment and supports smooth operations. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through HubSpot's property settings and made meaningful updates. This approach can greatly enhance your data management practices, not to mention streamline your operations on HubSpot. Remember, taking the time to familiarize yourself with these settings will pay off in the long run through more efficient workflows and better data management. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring for your HubSpot adventures. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in and be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and insights. Happy HubSpotting!